How to come out of your comfort zone. Are you feeling stuck? Getting bored of doing the same things in the same way you have always done before? When you are feeling safe, secure and comfortable, just step out of your comfort zone. Why you should get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone will ruin your life. It will kill your power of creativity and productivity. It will prohibit you chasing your dreams. You cannot be committed to your dreams and your comfort zone at the same time. In today's video you can learn how to get out of your comfort zone and fully step into your growth zone. Next to the comfort zone is a fear zone. Why you should get out of your fear zone. You give up what you start. You have fear of failure and rejection. You find excuses and complain frequently. There is lack of self-confidence. You cannot face challenges. You are affected by opinion of others. Never allow your fears to rule your life or stop you from chasing your dreams and your passion. Next to the fear zone is learning zone. In this zone you learn new skills and try to improve your habits. You learn to face challenges and problems without fear of failure. Think now to act. You build your confidence. You start struggling to expand your comfort zone. Next to the learning zone is growth zone. In this zone you will become creative and more productive. You achieve your goals. You set new goals. You will be more adaptable to changes. You become your own personal coach. You start living your dreams and purposeful life. You live in present and focus on future. You learn time management. Outside the comfort zone is where magic happens. If you want to know the ways to leave your comfort zone and enter into your growth zone, then must watch the upcoming video.